subtended by an arc BC at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the circumference of the circle. Proof of the said theorem. Draw a line through O from A. The line divides OABC into two isosceles triangle. If we take the triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB, hence angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So let us take the angles as x. By exterior angle property of a triangle, we can say that the angle which is formed outside the triangle AOB will be 2x. Similarly, in the triangle OAC, OA is equal to OC, hence the equal angles are taken as y. Similarly, the exterior angle formed outside the triangle AOC will be 2y. Hence, the theorem is proved that the angle made by the arc at the center is twice the angle made at any point on the circumference. Angle FOG is 360 minus the reflex angle 210, that is 150. Now, to find the angle FHD, we will use the theorem angle subtended at the center. So, angle FHG, that is P, will be equal to half of angle FOG, that will be 75 degrees. Here is the next question. You can solve this and put the answer in the comment section. We know that angle at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference of the circle. Let us construct more angles at the circumference, angle A and angle D. Hence, the theorem angles in the same segments are equal is proved. In this question, we have to find angle BAE and angle ECD. Angle BEA is equal to 45 degree, which is vertically opposite angles of CED. Now in triangle BAE, angle A will be equal to 70 degree by angle sum property. Hence, angle ECD will be equal to 70 degree as they are angles in the same segment. Proof of the theorem. Lines joining from the vertices A, B, C, D of a quadrilateral meets at O, which makes a central angle of 360 degree. As we know that OA, OB, OC and OD are radii of the circle, they are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Hence, let us take the equal angles as A, B, C and D. Using the exterior angle property of a triangle, the angles formed at the center are the exterior angles of triangle OAB, OBC, OCD and ODA. Hence, they are 2A, 2B, 2C and 2D respectively. We can see the sum of central angles is 360 degree. Therefore, 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D will be equal to 360, which gives us A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 180. Hence, angle A and angle C and angle B and angle D are opposite angles which are supplementary. Hence, the theorem opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary is proved. Find x and y in this question. We know that angle ADC is half angle AOC. Therefore, x will be equal to half of 110, that is 55. Angle ABC is equal to 180 minus angle ADC, that is 55. Hence, y will be equal to 125. Here the theorem opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary is used. Chords TS and RQ of a circle with center O intersects at point P. If angle TOR is 52 degree and angle SOQ is 44 degree, then find the value of angle SPQ. The options are number 1 45 degree, number 2 62 degree, number 3 75 degree and number 4 48 degree. Angle TSR is half of angle TOR. By using the theorem, angle subtended by an arc at the center. Therefore, angle TSR is equal to 26 degree. Now, by using the above mentioned theorem, we can find angle QRS, which will be half of QOS, that is 22 degree. So, by using exterior angle property of a triangle RPS, that is, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So, we can find angle SPQ as the sum of 26 plus 22, that is 48 degree. Therefore, the answer for this question is option 4.